Today, let us see what is digital marketing. Digital marketing is a broad term for promotion of products or brands, using electronic devices, such as computers, mobile phones, tablets, etc. Digital marketing is the use of internet-based technologies to promote products and services. The goal of digital marketing is to connect businesses and consumers using various forms of electronic communication. In simple terms, digital marketing is the promotion of products or services using online channels. These channels include social media platforms, search engines, email, websites, mobile apps, video sharing sites, etc. And digital marketing is done in the form of email marketing, search engine optimization, commonly known as SEO, social media marketing, online advertising, web design, mobile applications, and many others. Hope the concept of digital marketing is clear to you now. Thank you for watching this video. Please do comment if you got any query and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe digitally.